Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. You guys excuse my voice. I have lost my voice. Oh my gosh, it's been a nightmare. But I wanted to kind of just check in with y'all and let you know what it is that I'm working on. Since you guys know that I'm on this wave of trying to get things to germinate from seed, I wanted to do just a quick little experiment to see how long it would actually take for a mango seed to germinate in my Ziploc bag method. Well, not my method, the method. That it's not like I created that method, but that's one way that you can try to germinate seeds quickly, so that you can get your plants going more quicker and successfully. Once you, so anyway, if you guys didn't know, this is a mango pit. So after you eat all the flesh, this is what you're left with. But the actual seed, okay, is what is inside of this protective membrane or shell, we'll call it. It's actually really, really thin and very easy to cut through, like you guys can see. It's really, I mean, it's almost like a thick piece of paper, to be honest with you. So what I did was, this one was freshly eaten today, but the other one, I let it sit out and kind of like dry out a little bit, just so it'd be a little bit easier to manage. And these bad boys pop right out, no problem. So this is what your mango seed will actually look like. And like I said, I want to go ahead and see how long it's going to take for the seed to get kind of like moving, get in motion. And then maybe we can start like another little mango tree. If you guys don't follow me on my other social media platforms, you guys will notice that I did post about visiting a friend's homestead. And she has like all kinds of plants, trees, wildlife. She has her own animals, chickens, so on and so forth. But she gifted me a mango tree, which was so, so, so sweet of her. So I'll show you guys what that looks like now so you guys can see. I don't know how far along, growth-wise, how long that tree has been growing, unfortunately. So I can't really give you like a true timeline. I mean, I guess I could try to ask her, but so I'm not sure how old the tree is. I just know that this is where it is right now. So you guys take a look at the tree and then we'll bring you back. All right, y'all. I hope you guys can kind of see. Here, let me bring it over here. All right. This is the mango tree that was gifted to me, you guys. I do not know the age of the tree. I just know that it is obviously established. You guys see it has quite a few leaves established on it already. So because it is a smaller plant, I was advised not to kind of throw it immediately out into immediate direct sun. So I'm just kind of going off of the direction that was given to me by my friend who gave me the plant. But this is essentially what the tree will start to look like. I have the avocado tree and our sugar babies out there. I've been kind of like weaning the sugar babies into the direct sunlight. They're so far doing okay. But anywho, so my hope is that if I actually can make this work, that I would be able to gift somebody a mango tree the same way that it was gifted to me. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what the mango tree looks like. Isn't it beautiful? I'm in love. All right, so like I said, I am going to do the Ziploc method. That is the method that I have been using, the Ziploc bag method. That's the method that I have been using to germinate all my seeds, just to get them going quicker. And it has worked for me versus me dropping seeds into soil, because I have started my seedlings outside. If you guys follow, or you guys have been following my little garden journey, you'll see that. And it's been working for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a wet paper towel like so. You guys, I am so sorry about my voice, my Lord. And I am just going to wrap her up like a little burrito, like so. The towel is damp, you guys. Oh, now I got a little bit of flesh on my fingers. The towel is damp, okay? It's not like wringing out with water, so it is damp. And the whole idea is that once I put it in the Ziploc bag, which I need to label, so let me go ahead and label that. Let's label the Ziploc bag. We'll put mango, and then we'll put seed, and today's date 8/14/24, just so I'm able to keep track of it better, okay? So I know, like, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, whatever. Because I don't know how long I'll keep it in here to see what it's going to do. Get off the flesh. Okay, so it's in the Ziploc bag now, you guys. And that's it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this to the sliding door. And then as the heat penetrates the glass door, it's going to create like a bit of a greenhouse effect within the bag. So it will continuously provide moisture because we have the damp towel already in there. That's the whole idea. And I'll just continue to track it and keep you guys posted. And maybe I will be able to give somebody a mango tree like I was gifted one, to myself. So keep you guys posted. Again, here is your pit, your mango pit, and your mango seed is actually inside of the pit. So if you're trying to grow your own mango tree, you can't just drop this in the dirt. It will, no, you have to actually remove the seed from that protective membrane and then use this to either you could plant it directly in dirt if you wanted to, like in a soil pot, or you can put it in the Ziploc bag method the way that I am doing it. I just feel like this is more of a controlled method, and it's kind of cool to hold the light up to the back of the bag so that you can kind of see like if any roots are forming, and it's just something exciting. The kids love it. I love it. So like I said, it's more of a project since I've already been gifted a tree. But if I'm in a position where I actually get this thing to do a little something, something, and I can gift a tree to someone else, that would be really, really cool. So we're going to take this to the sliding door, and that's going to be it. All right, you guys. So I literally just have the Ziploc bags taped to the sliding door. There was a total of 3. They may not all take. That's the beautiful thing about this. Sometimes these things actually do not work. So here's a good example of what I mean. Look at all the condensation in there. That is literally in these jalapenos. They actually, I think all of them have germinated, but I don't have any soil, so I have to wait till I go to the store this weekend to get more soil. And then only one of these green beans actually took. You guys can't really see through the napkin, but I have 2 in there and only one took. And you guys see, they're like, it literally creates like a little greenhouse for them. So that's what's going to happen with the mango seeds. And like I said, we're just going to keep checking it daily just to see its progress, because I just want to see, for experimental purposes, how long does it take a mango seed to germinate in this particular type of setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope it inspires you to want to plant. Again, I'm so sorry for my voice, but it would be kind of stupid to try to do the same type of video and not try to explain even just a little bit, to you guys. So that's the video, you guys. You guys stay blessed. Life is amazing. Go touch the dirt. Go touch the earth. Life is amazing. Spread love. It costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.